I faced the exact Excel data refresh problem myself, spending considerable time finding reliable solutions. After testing many approaches, I discovered several effective methods to resolve this specific issue, and I am ready to share them now. This video will show you how to fix the Excel couldn't refresh data types error permanently. First, we check your data source connection. Excel needs a clear path to your data. If the connection is broken or login details are wrong, Excel cannot pull information. This ensures Excel can properly talk to where your data lives, like checking your car's fuel before a trip. Next, updating Excel and your computer's drivers is important. Old software or outdated drivers cause many problems. Excel might have a bug fixed in a newer version, or your computer's network parts need to be current for data flow. This makes sure Excel and your system use the latest, most stable tools. Then we look at data model and query settings. When Excel brings in data, it uses Power Query to clean it. If the rules for changing data are wrong or Excel cannot understand the data type, it will fail. This method helps you check those data rules and make them clear and correct for Excel. Finally, we address file corruption and permissions. Sometimes the Excel file itself gets damaged, or your computer won't let Excel do its job. A broken file won't work right, and if Excel doesn't have the keys to access the data, it will stop. This last method checks your file's health and ensures Excel has all necessary permissions.